You made a really long video. You know you can't put that on Instagram, right? Because it only does a 1 minute video. Oh, how pretty.
Here, let's be done with the suckers.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. I'm gonna
Oh yeah, put it on YouTube. That's a great idea. Have you posted a video on YouTube lately?
A few days ago. It's brand new. Have you seen it?
I haven't. Can you say Happy 4th of July?
Happy 4th of July. And Happy 4th of July too.
Whoa!
Well, this
I don't know because there's like cars parked over there. Holy cow! I don't know where to point my camera.
This is nerve-wracking.
I would be so mad
It's
if
shocking my nose.
Maybe they're like in a spot like they're allowed to do it there.
Oh, go away.
Yeah, car, go away. It's pretty beautiful, huh?
Yeah, I love it.
Babe, do you need some water? It's pretty hot out here.
Yeah.
Here, let's trade. I'll hold your lolly, and you drink some water.
Good thing I don't have to hold my button.
excited.
Good thing I don't have to hold the button.
I should close the street so these dumb old cars quit going by my video.
Here.
Thanks, babe. I got your pink water in the fridge, so it'll be nice and cold when we get back.
Whoa, this is cool.
Wow. This should be making everybody cheer up and be happy so we can have a good night.
Get out of the way, car. Get out of the way.
Look how pretty.
So you saying Gigi or Daddy?
This is my second video.
You saying
I've done.
Gigi or Daddy?
Dada.
Oh, Dada.
This is the second video I've
He
done.
is so cute. Bray Bray.
This is the second video I've done.
Who am I?
This is part 2.
I'm not Gigi. I'm Issa.
Daddy.
That is your daddy. Where's your mommy?
Mama.
Where is she?
Where's Mama?
Where'd Mama go? Yeah, that's Gigi.
Bubby.
Bubby. There's Bubby. Whoa, look at that.
Dad, how many more minutes to an hour?
How many more minutes to what?
To an hour to go there.
Over there?
Yeah, before it's sparkling up there.
It's not going over there, it's going right here. It's not
There's
going to start.
one over there.
No. It's going to be right here. Sure it is.
He wants to go
What are you talking about? Are there other fireworks?
No. Where do you want to go, Link?
Why? What's over there? Oh. Well, yeah, I mean, we could just walk over there next time, but if we do it right now, we're just going to get there right when it's ending.
Right, buddy.
It's only going to go on for a couple more minutes.
Yeah,
As soon as they start blasting a whole bunch at once, that means it's the end.
everybody goes home after this.
Can you see, babe? All right.
I think there's still one going back there.
You enjoying yourself? You want to sit on mommy's lap, like Lincoln's doing? Are you comfortable? Here, let me put my legs out for you. There you go. You're falling in between them. Here, you know what? Let's do this.
Please.
There, now come sit up here. There we go. You want to put your legs on mine? Oh, somebody's playing music.
I can't see.
They're getting ready to move across the street, honey. We'll get our cameras back. Don't worry. We're just going to stay put right here. I promise you, honey, the view here is no different.
It just looks more black, right?
Yeah, you would be like, I don't know, 30 feet closer. Hey, Deanna, do you think you could throw me my bag? I got a Gigi in my lap. Oh, good toss. Thank you. I got a Gigi in my lap. Right here. Can you look at me real quick? There she is.
Are you still recording?
Of course I am. I'm making 4th of July video.
Me too. Mine accidentally ended. I accidentally tapped the button on accident. So I have to do part 2 now.
Did you say you accidentally ended it?
Yeah.
You start a new one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. I have 2.
I have 2 too.
Oh no, Bray Bray, does that mean you're done with your lolly?
What does?
When he's done with that lolly, Issa gets it.
Ooh. Nice.
I'm using your head to stabilize them.
Hey. I'm putting this on YouTube. You should too.
I am going to put mine on Facebook.
Really?
Yep.
Can you put it on YouTube?
I can, yeah. We're pretty much taking the same videos, though.
Yeah, but... Remember on Roblox gaming, like, Jen does it with Pat, and Pat records and Jen records?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
My second record is like 5 minutes right now. But it's good.
It's pretty, huh? Oh, that was green and red.
What color is the 4th of July?
Red, white, and blue. The colors of our flag. You got the red and white stripes. There's 13. That represents the first 13 colonies, and then there's 50 white stars with a blue background for 50 states. Do you guys do the Pledge of Allegiance at school, honey?
Yeah.
You do it every morning?
Yeah.
Do you know it?
We start with some music.
Right. And then you put your hand over your heart, right?
We do this.
What do you say? Do you remember?
Mm-hmm.
Can you do it?
Ugh, it's so annoying.
What? What's annoying? Here, you got me a video while you do it real quick?
I stopped it. I can.
Oh, okay.
I can record.
Oh, Bray Bray's talking to you real quick.
What?
He wants you to look at the fireworks.
I want you to look with them.
We can move over. Do you want to move over next to them, honey? Just stand up real quick so I can get up. There we go. Oh, hey, you're standing. Can you do your pledge? Do you remember it? How do you do it? No, you're only doing it in front of me.
Okay. I pledge allegiance to the flag. I don't really remember that well.
Of the United States of America.
what?
And
To
to the republic for which
and
it stands,
mm-hmm,
one nation,
under God, indivisible, and
with liberty and justice for all.
okay.
You got most of it. I'm videotaping the fireworks. All right, here. Now we can sit over here and we'll be closer to Bray Bray.
Okay.
Here comes a big one. Oh, I thought that was going to make a big one.
But
Something bit me. Probably a mosquito. Rotten mosquitoes always come in from mommy's blood. Oh, they're pretty. Do you like this?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to do it again next year?
Yeah. Next year.
Yeah. Oh, wow, too. Just when you were little, you were just so scared because I think it was just too loud for you. Do you remember back when loud noises bothered you a lot?
Yeah.
When, like, you said the boys would bounce the balls too hard at school and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But that doesn't bother you anymore, right?
Yeah.
I mean, really loud noises bother anybody. But I didn't want to take you to fireworks and have you would cry and cry. You get so upset. And mommy doesn't like to take you places and make you cry. Oh, that was so pretty. Whoa. Look how big those ones are. Here's what you want to do, honey. Do like I'm doing. Just point your phone at the fireworks, but look at it with your eyes. Do you want me to hold it?
How?
Because I can hold both phones and then watch with my eyes. You're using your head.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you mind just stop? Please just stop.
Oh, my sucker? Hold on 1 second. All right, you can take yours back.
Okay.
I can have it. Oh, almost. Ah, thank you. The wipe is in there if you need it.
Why is my video only 20 seconds? Did you end it?
No, I think it ended at some point. When you're done with that wipe, can I have it? The whole stick is covered in sticky.
He wants it back.
What?
He has it back.
Oh, man. What a ripoff. I wanted that sucker. Can I use the wipe for just a second? I got like one lick and now my hands are all sticky. Bray, that's not right, man. He done ripped me off. They're only 50 cents. I didn't have enough money to get one more. How are you, babe, on stickiness? You want to pop it out real quick? You guys sticky?
No.
Are your hands sticky at all?
No, I'm trying to still eat this though.
What? Did you say you're trying to sleep?
No, I'm trying to still eat this.
Oh, no, I know, honey. I was just going to wipe your hands if they were sticky. Wow. See, usually what they do, most of them, they take a boat out onto a lake and then they shoot them above the lake so all the dust and everything falls in the water. Yeah, that's how most fireworks, that's how they do most of them, honey. And usually when you go and you sit like right on the lake so you're really close, and that's when it's really loud. See, I think this is a good spot because we're seeing them pretty darn good, and it's not real loud. If we were real close, it would be like boom, 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 you know. It would be like super loud if we were really close.
Yeah,
But now here, look, we can see them great, and it's not even very loud at all.
I know.
This is a good spot.
So this is part 3.
Huh?
This is part 3
Yeah.
of my video. So